Have you ever been working on a project that you want a certain look to or a certain font and you just cannot seem to find the fonts here that you want? DaVinci only has fonts that are on your computer. They do not come with fonts. The best thing to do is to go and open up a website. In this case, we're going to open up fontsquirrel.com, and in there you can search for whatever fonts you want. Here you can search for all these different fonts. You got different classifications, different tags you can search by. In this case, we're just going to search for all caps, and we want a font to be able to be see-through. So we want this font here. We're going to download a TTF font. DaVinci will only work on OTF fonts and TTF fonts. Once you have extracted the font that you have chosen, you can then choose that font and you can put it into your system. To do that, you just go to your settings tab and you just run font. And once you're in there, you will see a fonts setting. Once you're in the fonts settings, just click on that and drag the new font that you just downloaded into this window, and it will automatically install it onto your PC system. With that on your system now, you should be able to open it up in DaVinci. The only thing is, if you have DaVinci running while you are doing this, you will have to shut it down and restart and let DaVinci reload all of the fonts. So the fonts that we chose to where we have a open font so we can actually see the background through there. Now we got a new font installed on our PC as well as on our DaVinci.